Mark, wake up! Today is the day. We're going to the airport.
Right. The trip.
Good morning. We need to wake up the kids soon.
Are the bags ready?
Mostly, I packed the clothes last night, but we still need snacks and passports.
I'll get the passports. They're in the drawer, I think. Passports. Amelia, where did you put the passports?
They should be in the blue folder.
Ah, yes. Found them.
Lucy, wake up, sweetie.
Mom? Is it morning?
Yes, it is. We're going to the airport today.
Oh. Right. I'm awake.
Ben, time to wake up.
No, I'm tired.
Come on, Ben. We don't want to miss the plane.
Are we flying today?
Yes, we are.
Okay. I'm awake.
Everyone, eat quickly but carefully.
Dad, I'm nervous.
Why?
What if we're late?
We won't be late. We planned everything.
Do airplanes have snacks?
Yes, Lucy.
Good.
Traffic looks okay right now.
That's good. Let's finish eating and get dressed. Okay, let's check again. Passports, tickets, bags.
I have mine. Mom, I can't find my teddy bear.
Where did you last see him?
In my room, I think.
Not here.
Wait, what's that? Found him.
Thank you, Mom.
It's so early. The city looks different.
How long until we get there?
About 40 minutes.
What's happening?
Traffic.
But you said traffic was okay.
It was 10 minutes ago.
Are we going to miss the plane?
No, Ben. We still have time.
I'll take another road. Okay, everyone out.
Don't forget your bags.
There are so many people.
I see a pilot.
Good morning. Passport, please. Any bags to check it?
Yes, 2. We made it.
With time to relax.
Now boarding flight 123.
That's us.
This feels like a movie.
A family adventure movie.